So guys, we are inside our sample project. Now suppose we want to apply a circular overlay where we are explaining what's going on in our video. For that, go to pip, import the video as overlay, go to crop, select 1:1, confirm it. Now position the video where you like. Go to mask, select circular mask, adjust the mask size. Now copy the layer, select the bottom layer, look for replace, material, then the border color you want, again crop 1:1, increase the circle size a little bit. Now as the circle is bigger than our original video, which will create a border or stroke elevation, now select the upper video, adjust the size to control the border width, and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.